Hello, Joe 200. This is for summer class 2017. Welcome to what's going to be an amazing class. Let me move my picture right here so I can introduce the team. This is Tim Liu. Tim has his master's in imaging from the University of Southern California. He's been an instructor at USC for about a year and a half now. This is me, instructor for 27 years. I have a physiology lab. This is what I do. I'm a physiologist. And I do a pretty decent job as an instructor. And then this is my wife, Julia Walsh. Got a law degree from USC, practiced law from California for 7 years, then was managing counsel for a very large company, the Automobile Club, for about another 8 years. And now it's been professor here at USC for almost 6 years. Okay, so it's a crack team of experts that's really going to help you along. All right, so this is an online course, and you have to go into this website routinely. You have to check your email routinely, because this is the only way that we are going to be able to communicate with you. All questions concerning the course will be delivered to Julia Walsh. She is the one that is in charge of basically delivering the course. Okay, she's the one in charge of deadlines, in charge of any problem you have. Okay, do understand that we've taken a 5-month-long course, a semester course that we teach fall semester, that we teach spring semester, and now we've compressed it into a 6-week module for the summer. It's the same content. If you're going to get an A in summer, GERO 200, it has to be equal in terms of content to the content that we have in, say, fall semester or spring semester. You're going to notice that we have completely changed up the curriculum, okay? And this was in response to the annual evaluations that we get, so we made it more modern, more approachable. And so what you need to understand is you need to go through here, over here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on student view, okay? So this is exactly what you will see, all right? So that was the professor view that you saw over there. And these are the key elements right here, not too many. You have your syllabus, you have the course readings that you're going to have to go through every couple days and read, and take the quiz. This is something new, okay? Every reading has a quiz. The midterm will be derived from these readings, as well as content from the discussion board, which is right here. You click on there to get the discussion. You need to participate in the discussion. It's 20% of your grade. Every discussion you do a primary post, and then 3 posts that are in response to your classmates' posts, okay? Put these deadlines, okay, into your calendar, okay? It is crucial, okay? If you're late, you get docked points, okay? 2 critical thinking assignments, 2-page papers, 1 interview paper. You can go in and access this information right now. We are going to be putting CT2 in later on today. It's all about diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's, okay? Find somebody to interview, start the interview now. You only have 6 weeks, okay? Alrighty. So first thing you do is you download the syllabus, okay? Alrighty, and you open it like so, okay? It's coming in. I hope. Hang on. All right, and we're going to try that again because my computer is a little fried. All right. There it is. Boom. Okay. All right. All right, so there it is. Okay, so here's your syllabus, and basically what you need to do is read everything. Okay, here are the assignments. Okay, policies for late. Okay, 2 critical thinking assignments. These are small, 1.5-page papers. Okay, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to get these things done. Okay, the discussions. Okay, right here. Okay, you see that? A primary post and 3 additional posts to your classmates to get full credit. Midterm exam based on everything in the class, so you need to keep track and you need to keep up. It's an open world, but there's a lot of material, okay? And then the interview paper, which you should start on today. Find somebody to interview. Everything is turned in, as you see, via Turnitin, okay? That's it. No other way, all right, in terms of the turning assignments. Okay. Now, right here, this is a new component to the class. There is a quiz at the end of every reading. There are 14 readings that you have to do, and all 14 have quizzes. And then the midterm is going to be derived from that information as well. Okay. Here's the breakdown again in terms of scores, in terms of dates, okay? And then right here is the actual syllabus laid out again for you. So there should be no questions, but if you do have questions, email Julia directly. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. Okay, I'm going to go back into the course. Okay, we're going over here, and we're going to go into the readings. Okay, now you'll see that we have approximated dates, but this thing is open. You can read it all tonight if you want to. All right, and what you'll see is with each reading, okay, you click on it. All right, so there are directions on what to do. When possible, we have attached a PDF file. We also provide a direct link to the information that we are using. If we go back again, I just wanted to reiterate what I say here. So we're using open education resources, no book, okay? These are free, no cost to you, okay? And it allows us to give you exposure to what is state of the art. Now what you're going to notice when you go through here is this is a real quick run through how broad a field gerontology is, okay? We're going to study populations, we're going to study global issues and populations in America, we're going to look at biological issues as indicated right here, we're going to go over the psychology, we're going to do caregiving, okay, and social science, and then we're going to get really heavily into economics and financing, and then we ended up with legal issues and aging. So you can see how gerontology basically has its fingers, okay, has its applications into almost every aspect of life, and you're going to get exposed to that in the class, okay? All right, so when we get into something like this, we're going to click on it. There it is. Here's your PDF file. You click on it, okay? All right, it comes in like so, okay? And then you do what we tell you to do in the assignment right here, all right? So it says right here, forward through trend 4. So that's what the first assignment's all about. You come back over here, okay, and you see, okay, forward right here through trend 4. And so you read through that, prepare yourself. Again, this is easy reading, as you can see, okay? And then the quiz and the midterm will be derived from the content here and also from the graphs, okay? So you need to familiarize yourself with that. When you get done with this and you feel like you're ready, you leave it open, okay? That's the whole point. It's open book, open world. You click on this right here. You go like this right here, and you see it's already open. Here's your quick quiz for that section, okay? When you get done, you save each answer, boom, 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 okay? And when you're happy with everything, you hit submit. You get one shot, okay? So make sure you're content with what you're doing. Same thing goes with the midterm. You save each answer along the way, boom, 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 and then you hit submit. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm going to get out of here, okay? And I'm going back to where we're at right there, okay? So if I want to go and check the next reading, I go like so, okay? And I go into somewhere else, okay? So we can go into, for example, what we're going to do right here, okay? We can look at the Money Magazine site, and I give you very clear instructions what I want you to do, and then you go in to take the quiz, okay, and you use this site then to answer the quiz questions, okay? And you know, some of the things that we'll do, for example, is we'll do this right here. We'll ask you to go ahead and take a look at the calculator, okay? That's in the Money Magazine site, okay? So these are the types of activities that you're going to have to do. You can see the Money Magazine site is amazing. It's an amazing resource where you can find out about Social Security, okay? Boom, like so, okay? You can find out about Medicare. I want you to navigate this the same way you navigate your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your whatever, okay? So be on the ball with this, okay? All right, so we go back to this. The latter ones are kind of softer, okay? There's not a lot, so that'll allow you to prepare for your midterm and make sure you get your paper done on time. Okay. Put these dates in your calendar. Absolutely put them in there, okay? If you click on these right now, here's the assignment right here. You need to follow these directions. When we look at our rubric, we're looking for your ability to follow the directions, okay? That's it. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, like I said, the second critical thinking assignment is going to be added, but I just want to do this video for you tonight. Okay, put this in your calendar. You have to do the midterm during this date. Okay, at this time. Okay, is everybody clear on that? Because you need to be. Alrighty. So this is different. This is very different from what we did in previous semesters. The midterm exam is completely different. Okay. So if you got a copy of the old midterm from your buddies, it's going to do you absolutely no good whatsoever. Okay, because the reason for that being is the content now is completely different. So we manufactured this over the last couple months, and it's going to be excellent for you. Okay. All right. So that was a lot going on. Check the announcements a couple times a day. All right. And really, you need to be in this course all the time. Again, this is 5 months compressed into 6 weeks, and it's real easy to fall behind. Really easy to fall behind. Alrighty. So I'm looking forward to meeting every one of you. Okay, in your first post, and that will be opened on Monday. That was a chance for you to get in there and kind of see what the course is all about. So I am going to turn this off, and I want you guys to have a great weekend.